Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some easy Sova darts and recons that anybody can do and remember. I don't really like complicated ones, so this is the ones I use to like in Valorant. So first one is a attacking side. I'm just going to shoot my recon here. So one bounce and full charge over there. And it's going to go here. Oops, not rafters, but like here. And then this is also for attacking. If people are rotating here, you can see that there's like a dot here. So make sure you stand here, like in the middle. So there is this dot here, and just there's like a line. You're going to do one bounce and full charge it on the like middle kind of. Wait, no, you're going to do double. What am I saying? You're going to do two bounces. Here. Oh my gosh, I'm like lagging, if I'm being honest. Where did it go? Oh, okay, it went up here. So it's going to like recon heaven. I don't know, heaven. What am I saying? And then from mid, I usually just stand here and like shoot here like this. I do one bounce and full charge over there. It's like basic stuff. And then from mid to mid pizza recon is like you stand where the barrier is. Okay, first off, there's a barrier, okay. And you're just going to shoot to the like lamp here. So press E, double bounce and full charge. Actually don't know like where I'm supposed to stand. It's easier when the barrier is there, and as you can see, it recons that area. And then if you're going from here to mid, I usually just put it here. Well, I recon it a little bit further than that. And there's this shot dart lineup here. So press Q. There's, you know, like a line here, right? There's two lines in the charge area. You're just going to place the line here. Then you're going to fully charge it. Just look at the example. I can explain it while I'm doing this. So do that. And while it's like coming down, you're going to place your crosshair here and then two charges. And then you're going to see them fall. Make sure the timing is correct or else this won't happen. Ta-da! Wow, so cool. Okay. I finally got that after like so many tries. But make sure because the timing's everything. Then here we can recon from B to A. You're just going to point your crosshair here and then double bounce, and then you're going to fully charge it. Sometimes it like lands in different places, so hopefully it lands where I want it to land. But hello, did it land? Oh, where did it land? Okay, well, it did land in A, so that's one. And then to enter like B here, I just usually shoot the tree or the giraffe. Pretty simple stuff. And to recon mid link, you can stand here. And there's like a thingy-majiggy, I don't know what it's called. Your recon, one bounce, and then you're just going to fully charge it, and it's going to recon mid link. Like here. And to recon from B, I just usually, you can either fully charge just here, or you can one bounce and then fully charge and jump here. So it's up to you like what you want to do. And that is it. I'm not the best player at Valorant, but like I know some stuff. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you to my friend for showing the shot dart in mid to A. Shout out to you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.